Welcome back, folks, to another episode. Since the Snap-on trucks have such a big following, and a lot of people have been wondering how that Snap-on Flatbed 6x6 actually performs off-road, I decided to take the footage from our New Year's Day crawl out at Mount Diablo Rock City of Preet's Snap-on Flatbed Truck and put it together into one video for us all to enjoy. If you like the content, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. But stick around because Preet actually four-wheels his Snap-on Flatbed truck and he puts it to the test. And you're not going to want to miss that, so stay tuned.
Made it look easy. Oh, I got an extra set of
made that line in time?
Nope.
Really?
First time.
First time for everything, right? Going up. Yep. Piece of cake.
That looks nice though.
That looks pretty cool.
Got it.
I can count and you go high. I count, you high. Hey.
Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed the content. Please remember to like and subscribe. Smash that notification bell so you don't miss out, and we'll see you all next time.